What is up, Lego YouTubers and just YouTube fans? As you can see, set up a new area. So okay, well, we are going to be talking about my transformation of this whole house. I've changed up a lot of stuff. As you can see, I actually have like a big workspace now. So what we're going to be doing is probably working on more Star Wars stuff, like build our own mocks. Mostly it's going to be more mocks and unboxings. Alright, so make sure you go like, subscribe, comment, and let's get to it. I started working on my front room with all the Star Wars stuff, as you can see in these other videos up at the top. There's 3 or 4 short videos that I put out, but I've changed a lot around in this room, in this house. It looks totally different, if I can talk right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and just show it to you because it's a lot. Okay, first off, I'm going to show you my my actual room. So, because I set up another setup in there for me to work with, and a small city. All right, this is what it looks like from the door. I gotta get some new curtains for that window. But it's kind of plain. Not a lot of Lego in here anymore. But we do have some of my Ninjago. There's some that's still in the front room that's on the table that I still have to put up. But I do have a decent amount of Ninjago. It actually looks pretty good that way right there on top of all my random Legos that I was putting up yesterday. I sorted out a bunch of the city and onto my city. So far it just looks kind of like this. Don't really have much in it. It's just kind of like a little small, I don't know what to say, town. But yeah. Alright, let's go check out the front room. The Avengers still nothing's been done to it really. I still have to like kind of set it up a little bit. But I do have a decent amount of Avengers and Batman, DC stuff. Decent amount of Spider-Mans. Wonder Woman's. Some metal Marvel things, Avengers, Iron Man stuff, one that I built, Batmobiles, the Bat helmet, stuff like that. And then to the front room, it has been set up like in the other videos that you've seen. Got a Star Wars fish tank with no fish in it yet. And some Star Wars books and stuff back there on my shelf. And all the posters and my lamp. And some new posters that I've got. Some blueprint stuff off Amazon. They were pretty cheap. They weren't too expensive. Framed them up. Alright, and then on to my spaceships and stuff that I lit up with the shelving. Got quite a bit of Star Wars stuff. And I got some new pictures that are up there from Mandalorian. like the Luke Skywalker and R2-D2. But then exploded view of the Millennium Falcon and the other 3 posters. Then I have all this over here. I kind of shut the shade a little bit so I can get some of the light out of here, but it's still kind of got a glare on it. Then over here, I got more. Got Dio and the Probe Droid. A couple of the 20th anniversary Star Wars things. And Mando and young baby Grogu. A couple other sets and collectibles. It's the R2-D2 Boppet. Then I got a couple more ships over here. Anakin's land speed, or his, whatever it is. I'm blanking. Then I got Grogu and Yoda over here. And a couple more Mando pictures. So, that is the front room. It actually looks set up a lot better than it used to. Have a lot more room on the floor. And a bunch of my plants are in here. I got spots for them now. Like my cactus. And ivy my mom gave me. So let's go check out this room. The Lego room. The one you've been waiting on. Some of this hasn't changed, but it's actually looking really nice as my office now. I put a bunch of just the random sets and like Speed Champions and a lot of the minifigures that I have from different sets and just some random Lego. So my Nintendo stuff up there, Harry Potter and all that stuff's up there, but it is actually set up really nice for me to do my channel now. So yeah, it is really nice to have this all set up now. Alright, so we're going to end the video right there. We will have new projects coming up in the probably next week. I'm honestly thinking about buying something off online pretty soon for a new set for our video. But if y'all have any suggestions or comments for new projects for Star Wars that I should build, let me know. Been thinking about Jabba's Palace. Because I want that. Just build my own. And then some other little ships and stuff like that I've been thinking about building. Or Sandcrawler. But yeah, go check out some of my Facebook stuff. And go like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff if you want to. But we will have new projects coming up soon. So, Peace out.